time to change the oil on the bike. 2024 YZ250. I haven't had to do it before, so it's kind of a learning experience. I gotta find something to prop it up on. I gotta go grab the oil filter still. I should already have the Yama lube to throw into it, so we're good in that department. But first order of business, dropping the truck off, about to go grab my car. It's parked at my grandparents', and then we're gonna roll in that for a little while, and yeah, I'm gonna see how it goes from here. She's looking kind of rough right now, and she needs a little bit of a bath, so I think I'm gonna clean her up and get a lot of these leaves out from under the hood. See, she's just covered in leaves, covered in dirt, pollen, anything else, you name it. Yeah, she definitely needs to get clean. I got the hood popped to take the leaves off. Yeah, we gotta clean this thing up. All right, so we're in the garage. I'm about to warm up the bike for about a minute, maybe two, let it cool off, and then just to get that oil to flow through it. Then we're gonna go ahead and start on this oil change. Should be pretty quick, pretty easy. Like I said, about to warm up the bike. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm in a different pair of clothes than I was in the previous clip because it's a different day, but we're still getting this done. We'll go ahead and start by setting this out the way. Like I said, let it run for about a minute. All right, warmed up, let it cool off for about 5 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and drop the skid plate off and proceed with changing the oil, I guess. I don't know. See how it goes. All right, let's go ahead and get this drain, or not drain. Let's go ahead and get this skid plate off. Find out where the bolt is. Skid plate comes off pretty easy. Get the other two. Yeah, honestly, I could use an impact to get these off, but it's alright. Just so it's faster. That's what it looks like, the skid plate. It's been through it pretty roughly, but it's still in relatively good condition. Overflow tube. Okay. Got that off now. Still letting her cool off for a minute. Okay, finish letting it cool, and then we'll proceed to remove the actual oil. I'm gonna go ahead and prop this up on a bucket. I don't have an actual stand for it, so should work. Should be all right, but we'll see. Okay, time to actually drop the bolt for the oil. Let me see where it's at. All right. Happy accident. Some oil on the ground. But it'll be alright. I'm still letting her drain out. Okay, oil filter's in. Got the oil filter in now. I'm tightening this down. Tighten this all the way down. I don't really have much commentary right now. Kind of just winging it, figuring it out. This should be plenty tight enough. Okay. Time to put the big boy in. Still dripping a little oil, but it'll be alright. That's alright. It'll be fine. Alright, gonna tighten it down. So let me touch my hand. I'm just gonna eyeball it based off the thing down here. It only takes about 3/4 of a quart. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, just put it right on the money. I say I did well. I got that level perfectly. Yamalube. I'm hot as hell though, I'll tell you that right now. Okay. Put this little cat back in there. And this is the last part that actually needs to be on there. Alrighty. I'm cooking right now. Alright. Anyways, about to put the skid plate back on, and then I guess I'm gonna zip on down the road and get this oil running through it. Alright, like I said, get to it. Yeah, that filter was... It was time to go. This old filter, it's got stuff all in it. Toss that one out. For now, I'm going to take this off. Okay. I'm going to take this thing off the bucket, and then I'm going to load GPS tracker. I'm going to drop into it. But let me get this off the bucket, like I said. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. I forgot that was not. Forgot that wasn't down. That sucks. Could be worse though. GPS tracker. I gotta find out where I'm gonna put it. Okay. that's it. Ran the bike, ran great. Oil levels are good. Oil looks good. So it's pretty exciting to do my first oil change. I look forward to making more videos on this bike and recording the adventures with it. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.